Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Noor Mohammed. I'm faculty in Computer Science Department and Engineering, IIITDM Kanchipuram. And I have Mr. V.S. Praveen. He's a third year BTech student who has, along with his friends, Subhash Mailraj and Ritik Kumar. So we have taken this Swadeshi microprocessor challenge. And we also have a collaborator, industry collaborator, that is Digitio. So where industry Mr. Deepankar Ghosh and Abhis Tampi also collaborating with us in order to do this project. So let me explain now what is the project we are working on it. So we are working on a project name called DIDA. DIDA is a digital information for diagnostic and analytics as applied to the electrical and electronic circuits of the automobile vehicles. So objective of this project is, there are four objectives is there. One is going to be a continuity check. That means we are going to, our equipment is going to verify that the electrical harness of a automobile vehicle, it is intact or not, it means it is correct or not. That's the first function. Second thing is miswire detection. Is there any wires are misconnected? Okay, that also we are going to identify and report it. And is there anywhere short is there? So those short also we are going to identify. And the fourth objective is going to be resistance measurement. Okay, in case anywhere or any equipment in the automobile vehicle is not working, in that case it offers the higher resistance. So that can be also measured. So if you look at here what exactly we are doing, so like this wires will be there. So this wires continuity verification we are going to do. So in this case what we are going to do, we are going to feed the values here and we are going to collect these values and we are going to feed it to our equipment. Because our equipment will be connected at the board end and where it will feed the test vectors and it will verify the four objectives like continuity check, second objective is misfire detection, third objective is short detection, and the fourth one is going to be resistance measurement. So now we will go for the demo. Mr. Praveen is going to show the demo. Yeah, you can run the program. Here we have for demonstration 4 functions. So we have written the codes in the computer laptop and where my code is running here and which we are dumping into the my FPGA and where all the 4 functionalities will be demonstrated. Now Praveen will run that program and he will show each functionality.
So going on to the demo, I have created serial monitor in the VS Code. So I am running the monitor. So we can see this Shakti logo coming up. The board is loading. Okay. So all the functions have been have come up on the display. So first we can go for the continuity check. Now all the 8 lines, these are the 8 lines which I have used for the continuity checking purposes. I have used IO2 to IO9 and JD1 to JD10. Now pressing the button 1 for continuity check. Since all the lines are intact and correct, it's passed. Now I am removing line number 7, checking for continuity check. Failed at 7. Removing line 6. We can also see the log coming up in the VS Code on the terminal, reading each and every value in each line. Now going for the miswire check. Since no wire has been miswired, it has been passed. Now I am swapping line 6 and 7. So misfire has happened at 6 which is connected to 7 and 7 which has been connected to 6. So this is the concept of miswire. And then going for the short circuit part, I am correcting the values again. Pressing button 3 for short circuit check. There is no short circuit. I am creating a short circuit temporarily on a side by breadboard. I am taking line 6 and 7, connecting it to the breadboard. Taking line 6, connecting it to the breadboard all 3 short circuited. Going for short circuit check. Failed at 6, which is connected to 7. So 6 and 7 are short circuited. Now going for resistance check. So for resistance check, I have used the unlock pins A0, A1, A2, A3. I have connected the resistances here. I have used a voltage divider circuit for these, and then there has been 4 resistances. All the known resistance are 1000 ohms, and others have been as encoded. One of them is 220, other one is I guess it's 2200, and the other one is 100, and the other one is 1000. So going for the resistance check, button 0. So in A0 the resistance is 207, the actual resistance is 220 ohms, and in A1 the resistance is 1973 ohms, the actual resistance is 2200 ohms. In A2 the resistance is 100 ohms, the actual is 100 ohms, and we are getting 103 ohms, and in A3 we have 1112, the actual is 1000 ohms. So we can see some amount of error in this, which can be rectified on further error basis. And then moving on to Noor sir.
Yeah, so with this the 4 functionality demo comes to end, and now this is the basic proof of concept which we have built for the any circuit, any design related circuit harness testing. So with we have faced few challenges. Okay, one is so we can have a very better documentation can be better available, which can be used for many people such that they can easily build the this system on the FPGA, means Shakti based system on the FPGA. The second challenge what we faced is there is no LCD libraries are available, and what we did is we have taken the Arduino libraries and finally we have ported, and which we have compiled and we have demonstrating by interfacing. Now LCD is directly working with our RTX FPGA board. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much for providing this opportunity for us.
Thank you, sir.